The all-new 13-liter engine platform sits at the heart of a fully integrated powertrain, where engine, transmission, and braking systems work as one to move you further on less. A redesigned fuel system with a rear-mounted high-pressure pump delivers fuel faster and with absolute precision, because every drop counts. Inside the cylinders, next-generation wave pistons control combustion more effectively, which means more fuel turns into energy for a stronger pull and improved efficiency. When braking, exhaust valves create resistance, reducing brake wear. And now positioned upstream of the turbocharger, they keep the turbocharger speed higher for an even stronger brake and instant power recovery. The variable geometry turbo adapts in real time, delivering responsive torque while supporting fuel economy. An upgraded I-Shift transmission optimizes every gear change for smoother acceleration and lower consumption, while a new modern retarder adds controlled, predictable braking under heavy loads or long descents. Smarter combustion, responsive boost, intelligent braking, seamless shifting. One new engine platform built for efficient performance across operations with the flexibility for multiple fuel alternatives to lower the CO2 footprint. Higher performance, less fuel, and better drivability on every road ahead.